I want to get the picture for him.
You want to take the picture for him? But this is not the camera. This is the video cam.
Here. Here. You can play. He can play.
Yes, he can play.
I can
Uh-oh.
play with to get that kid down.
You want to get Jackie down?
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if he wants. Just let's try. Jackie, you want to get down? Come. Come to my hand if you want to get down. Okay, he's down now. What did you want now?
I want to read the magazine.
Yeah, you want to play with Jackie or you want to read the magazine?
I want to play.
No, Jackie, no. Good bird. Hey, then I will put Jackie back to the cage because you're not going to play with
I
him.
want to play with him.
Yeah.
I want to play.
Oh, making poo poo. Can I have a tissue, please?
Help me.
Lazy. Go, get me a tissue. Can you help mommy to throw this away? Please? Hey, you are my little helper, huh? And put down the magazine, please. Good girl. Throw this away, huh?
No, that's it. He wants to buy my
He just wants to play with you. What now? Why you're so happy? Tell me. Because? Hey, no, don't bite the speaker, please.
Hey.
Hey, Jackie. No. Good bird.
Jackie.
Hi, Jackie. Come on. Shake hands. Come on. Come to me. Shake hands. Come. Shake hands. Come on. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Give me a hand.
What he doesn't want.
Shake hands. Shake hands. Good bird. See? He's a good boy.